A surprise revelation in the legislature Tuesday afternoon about proposed private surgical facilities for both Lethbridge and Red Deer. Minister of Hospital and Surgical Health Services Matt Jones announced the procurement for the two facilities has been cancelled. Carson Marsouk explains.
Concerns were raised about the procurement practices and procedures and handling of conflicts of interest in AHS procurement. And I'm pleased to share that the procurements for the Central and South Zone surgical facilities have been cancelled.
It was an announcement that caught many off guard Tuesday afternoon. During question period, Minister of Hospital and Surgical Health Services Matt Jones shared the procurement process has been ended for two facilities.
Procurement and contracting is being transferred to the Health Shared Services Organization. We've hired a consultant, RSM, to align our procurement and contracting procedures with the best jurisdictions in the world.
Alberta Health Services Procurement has faced criticism since an October 2025 report highlighted conflict of interest that negatively affected the procurement process.
The fact this was mentioned in an answer to a question period question, it wasn't a fulsome government release with details or information for the public. It's frustrating, and it just shows their lack of commitment to transparency and accountability.
In a statement, the minister said the decision was based on several factors, including the significant time that had passed since the proponent was selected, which made economic assumptions and costing outdated, along with operational changes and delays finalizing contracts. The proposed private surgical facility, announced in 2022, would have seen an additional 1,200 more procedures be complete in the South Zone.
Opening a new surgical center doesn't create more staff. We're in a staffing crisis. We don't have the surgeons and anesthetists and nurses we need to keep our public operating rooms open in Medicine Hat and Lethbridge and throughout the province. Opening a new private facility in the same community will only make that worse.
The province plans to launch a new procurement process early in the new year, but the NDP are calling on the UCP to be more transparent with its processes.
It's public dollars and public services, and we'd like to see that these contracts aren't just handed out to friends of the UCP.
Carson Marsouk, CTV News, Lethbridge.
The minister said in a statement the government is committed to reducing surgical wait times by delivering 50,000 additional surgeries through the Acute Care Action Plan. Now, we reached out to Lethbridge East MLA Nathan Newdorf for comment, but have not heard back.